Okay, so I'm on your roof. So the first couple things, we're gonna start at the front, work our way down. We obviously got this corner that's not too good and flapping in the wind. We got birds living up in it with the nest. You got a roof that's structurally sloped, so that's a good thing. We got some deals here where we got some screw pops that are going to be popping through. It's going to be a matter of time before that pops through, and then you got a hole. 100% you can see them all. The best part is, like you said, you got a roof that's structurally sloped. So that's awesome. So when the water comes, it flows off of here. We've got stuff like this, where there's a slit. You got another little deal here. You got this corner, which needs help. You got this leading edge, this whole leading edge needs to be redone, because look at this thing. This thing's popped up. It's waiting for the wind to grab it strategically and just blow it and rip it. You got this edge that needs help as well. And then you got, miscellaneous screw pops again. This chimney needs to get worked on. They fixed it, but it's got a hole here. Look at all this is cracked wide open. Water's streaming in there. You got this door threshold right here that's pretty much open. You got this corner right here. I thought I'd seen another rip up here. Well, yeah, I already pinpointed that out in the beginning. So, your roof, 0 to 10, 10 being the best. I'll be honest with you. We fixed those couple things. You got a strong 8, which is awesome. Got just some little repairs. I don't even think we call it a Band-Aid. I'll be honest with you. I think if we fix that leading edge the right way, do these couple things. Now, I don't know. This seam should be done the right way, right? I mean, we should, if we're going to do something, we should put seam tape over this, right? Because this is one seam. And that's your only seam on the roof. And then you've got this seam here. So we should, like how they put that there, that's seam tape, we should put that over the seams, because I think besides the screw pops, which we can just put material over it, fix this edge. I don't know, guys. I think you could probably get at least a good 5 more years out of this darn thing. I really do. I think you can get 5 years out of this darn thing easily. Your walls are nice and tight. Usually walls go to crap. Your walls are nice and tight. They're glued down. They're not bridging. Honestly, I think we fixed this. And you should be good for 5 years. We put material down on these seams. We won't even mess with this, right? And we just put material over these seams. And I don't know, guys. I think you're okay. A nice, good Band-Aid will fix you easily 5+ years.